Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to make a video tutorial on Teamgantt. So first off guys, what you want to do is click on make a free Gantt chart online. So here on, this is like a preview of the site, as you can see guys. So first off guys, we should enter our phone name, like our phone name is NetTech. Our project owner email is this one. So after that, our company name is NetTech, and our work phone I won't write in. So password, make sure it's a secure password guys. We don't want anyone to go into our account. After that we click on create project and wait for a minute. So I think here it is guys. So this right now asks us what do we want to do. So maybe we want basic project scheduling, calendar list, collaboration, reporting, workload management. I would like collaboration. Let's say what kind of work. So these you have to fill them, these out, you have to fill these blanks out. So first off, our group does non-profit work. How many people? Like let's say 6, 7. What type of training do we prefer? Let's say self-guided. And what best describes what you would like to accomplish? Let's say we're not sure yet. So let's say that right now we'll use the 30 trial for the 30 days free trial. And so I'll just do this because we have to pay or enter our bank card information for it to work. So here guys, we have to enter the name of our project. Let's say it would be oops, didn't mean to do that. Let's say it is Ned help. The start date is today, and let's say that we can also choose templates guys, like a blank project, basic project. This also this template that looks quite like Microsoft Excel. Marketing also templates, design creative templates, website design templates. So let's just use the basic project, and let's we can also set the default view to a Gantt chart, to a list, to a calendar, or a board, but we only right now have the Gantt chart in our free version. So I click create new project. We can also watch 1 minute and 23-second video tutorial explaining the basic things for this website, but we won't do that. So first off, you can see guys, this is the main page of the site. We can see here's our group, here's our group name, NetHelp. This is our first task, like let's say it is editing. The first task, subtask maybe getting footage. Oops. So we can also select also, we can also edit these subtasks. We can delete them, like right here. We can delete them. We can also put them under or upper in the chart, like you can see, guys. Here is it. We can also set the chart like right here. We can just drag it like forward and backwards. Here's the Gantt chart that is being assigned. We can also edit it, like right here. We can set labels. We can assign people for this task. We can also do other things, like we can set it as completed. You see, guys, so this thing right now is completed. So 14% of our first task is completed. Like, yeah, guys, if we complete all these things, let's say that getting footage is also 100% completed. So everything is like 57%. And if we just say that also this is 100% completed, and our first task is completed for the day, we can also see that there are there is other group of tasks. Like, we can set it to other things, like uploading, and the first subgroup may be called rendering video. And after that, because we can set the subtask to something, like whatever you want, guys. By the way, if you want to, you can also add other subtasks. Like, you can insert a task below, insert a milestone, insert a group. You can duplicate, edit, or delete the task also. But guys, right now I want to show you the freemium plans. Let me just look at it. I think that this is it. Yes, guys, so you can see that our first plan is Light Manager, and it is said that it is good for basic planning with a few projects and collaborations. So this plan starts at $24 a month. That is paid after the trial, and is paid monthly, not annually. We can also enter how much people are in here. Like, if we say that there are 20 people, it would be 4,800 a month, but we don't need that. So there is also a Pro Manager plan that is for $59 a month, and that is for more powerful features, obviously. So this is really it, guys, and I hope that I have helped you with this quick tutorial, and I wish you guys a great day. Peace.